us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies around me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. Judge, as long as I live, bless the Lord.
Yeah, massive, no joke, no doubt, downtown. Downtown. Yeah, it's crazy. So this is like the biggest event for the entire year. And all of we are gonna do it together. You hear that? Oh, we look. So the entire streets them block off and crazy amount of things is happening. Believe me. Let's do this. Whole heap of food. Yeah. On the waterfront. Good night. Waterfront. Oh my God, the crowd is big. So massive, we're just warming up. And this is the parking lot, massive. So believe me. Big up to everybody who put this together. Massive, when you're ready. Tell me if you're not ready now, man. Let me soon that type so when you're ready, make we go deal with it now, man. Oh, me whole year me anticipate for that show, yeah, that event, yeah. Crazy. When you're ready. Talk to me. Let's go. Big up, Mr. Officer. Big up, let me see all like people that will join right now. So big up all my viewers and subscribers will join right now. It is nothing normal. Downtown with it. Look good now, man. Yeah, just because you ask so nicely. Big up somebody, quick. You know, big up nobody. Send a shout out. Big up mommy, big up daddy.
Shout out to my on TikTok.
That is it.
Yeah, subscribe.
Alright, big up for this. Cool. Yeah, massive. Dogtown, it's beautiful. Come on, massive, let me see on the start. Let's start sharing, let's go. So massive. me go see we got 1,000 people more want on the live tonight. 1,000. For you call me, I got the on camera, you know. For you call me, I got the on camera, talk to me. If you call me, I know you freeze up, big up to my leg up. Jamaica walk, Jamaica, let's do this. So big up all my massive on the live right now. So clearly they make some changes to the show. The stage is actually down this side now. Usually the straight center camera. Ah, that is it. Yes, love. See.
Thank you.
Chicken and chips, everything there.
Every morning.
Chicken and chips over here, right?
I sing this song, I say these words because I believe in it. Those who believe in positivity, let me hear you say, yeah.
Nadine, Sutherland and
All the
Spade.
people that want to step forward in a positivity, let me hear you say, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to deal with no negativity. I want to sing this song, and everybody will know this song. Let's sing this with relish.
So big up to all my massive Damien Sutherland, so much persons there.
We're going to sing this with relish, we're going to sing this song, and I mean it. So we'll move forward right now. Playing off one of my favorite tunes ever in the world.
Big run them teacher. Big up, big up. Jamaica by now. Maybe I will correct myself. You understand? Magnet fishing Jamaica. No well. You don't know. You understand? Just a reason. I'm going to be alive and see it. No, we just reach back.
Because we made it through, we're here tonight, right? Are we here tonight? We're on the edge of 2023, going into 2024. And I know that we're dropping all the baggages from this year. We're not taking them into 2024. Are we taking our baggages into 2024? So with grace, with love, with positivity, we know that the same spirit, person, entity that walked with us in 2023 will be walking with us in 2024. Do you agree with me? We can make it through again. Life wasn't made to be easy, right? So it's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Help me sing, everybody. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. One more time, let me hear you sing. It's gonna be a bright, sunshiny day. Thank you. Action, nasa baga mo.
watching the UDC Fireworks Festival 2023, brought to you by the UDC, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, TEF, Chase, Airports Authority of Jamaica, Caravan Group, and the NHT.
Water, big got that. Water, easy. Easy out that door. Easy, take it easy. Alright. Watch your back. Whenever you're done, Calvin. So massive, it's not about a stage show, it's about a vibe. Straight to. Everything outside, just crazy festivities. Everything. Man. Juice, everything I said. So massive, let's take a look at the crowd. You don't know there couldn't be without the jerk fan. What? Don't bother locking them because you are going in the teacher. Mad thing. Look good now, man. Oh, see it. Body, man. That is it, the teacher. Yeah. We just want to get your business on it and we just run it. Hats. Yeah. Teacher. No, we're not right now. See it at work. Let's do the teacher. We're going to work like you. Come on. God.
Oh, you have fine one. Jordan have come and have fine. From Uncle and one.
Mega run to my teacher. So massive, let's just go through the crowd a bit, make you see how big this event is and things. So, you know you have some monitors up there too. 4,000, So first, big up everybody when they're on the live right about now. You don't know blessed love. It makes sense you watch and you not subscribe. Please me ask you to subscribe and thing. You see me?
Where they came from, no demonic works perform. Shall so tell me what you and the science man just come. Cause them can't squeeze the lion palm. No demonic works perform shall prosper. Hey, can't touch a lion, I am dying.
So big up all my beautiful people. Let's go to the 1,000. Let's get 1,000 people on the live. Share up the live. So right now on the screen, it's all about the Fireworks Festival 2023. So it's Motorious actually performing now, alright? That is it. So let's go through the crowd a little bit.
Just do this. Some of the evils that made me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper. Yeah. So tell me all your under science man just come. Cause they can't squeeze the lion palm. Can't touch the lion.
The more them business pile up, that is it. Hey. Sing on.
Them can't squeeze the palm of the lion. I said no more, I never pile up. I anymore. The business well, cause the power of God it preserves I and God is known. So all the evils that we have, they can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform.
Blessed me teacher, that is it. Oh, your voice so good.
Just tell me all you understand.
Look good now, man. Chicken like whoa. Hard thing. And the real jerk then in downtown, no play. I hear game come out. Remember me telling you that. I hear game come out. Dad, how old is them class? That is a blessed love, great respect. Come on, Massive, let's go to 400. 400.
I hope you enjoy.
So Massive, this is an event where you can take your family, everybody, and just come out and just have crazy fun. You understand? Simple as that. So if you don't know about the Rock Hotel, this is the Rock Hotel now in downtown. So Massive, if you're there in your yard right now in Jamaica, this is a place you fall to just go relax and build. You can run through them, teacher. Yeah. Come down and come get crazy headache, crazy food, crazy fun, everything. Now, it's rough when you look at babies them though, because clappers are bust and beer things. So you don't know center camera, you have Glorious and Pizza Please, Ocean 7. So I'm thinking this business is the reason why the stage had to move. Trust me, I think this business is the reason why the stage had to move. Because the stage normally be somewhere right down here, so. Tonight you're still jumping in your bed, you know? Oh God! Yeah, man, see that? Bowl of soup. What you mean? So Massive, this is the new hotel. Well, it's not new, it's newly renovated and thing. The hotel is called the Rock Hotel. I've never stayed over there, but what I saw and what I heard is that over there is really nice. It's beautiful. So the entire stretch at waterfront is actually full of people. And yeah, boss, all like clappers them. That tush now. Yeah, Massive. We say she a dancer. She a bus clappers tonight. Give a shout out, big up your TikTok. You freeze up. 3, 2, 1. Give out the TikTok. Yeah, shout out the thing. Chanel overdose. A big clappers a bus tonight. Yeah. Oh gosh, you're gonna definitely do my viewers. Yeah, Massive. So it's all about everything downtown. Let's see, you give me peace?
Yeah, ready.
All right.
Ready though.
So we have 500 odd person now watching now. Let's go. Give me something. Wait. Dancer. Hey, watch it, no. Watch it, no. Hey, that. Hey, wait. Mad thing. Go. Wait on the bad so no music. Rebel want to see you. Wait. Watch it dance. Watch it. My thing, shout out the TikTok on your Instagram.
My name is Chin Overdose, Little Miss Chin.
Say it again, Little Miss Chin. That is it. Alright. Oh, your daughter them. Yeah man, big up every time. Continue push them here. That is it. Yeah, them a do what they love massive. Yeah, no joke. Alright, massive. So we are make back our way through that thick crowd there and make us see what go on. But as me say massive, the crowd gone right back to so people there everywhere. But we are go back in at the festivity. Me I hear Johnny Daly on stage. So me I go down there go see what go on. Whole heap of ladies roll out, whole heap of man, whole heap of food. All the cane man there. Look good now man, all cane. Anything where you want, just forward. Look good now man. Fire big up yourself. See that man? You see how you go on now? That is it. Amen. You know what, show the cane and all these things. If fire. Blessed love your fire. One Jamaica walk by, eh? Spend something. Alright, him says spend something. He says spend something. You say you go and spend something with the fire. Fire. Talk to me. I don't want nothing, but I'm going to drop something. Fire. I don't want nothing. Hold on on this fire. Look good. No see a word. See? That is it. Yo, see there? 580 somebody you see I make you go on so a while ago. I see you go on so a while ago. You go on. I saw you say, but don't play. We outside. Oh, you mean? The man get dark. Say no like no video thing now, no overthink about it. I public and smart people they have video. But it's all love see away. We no business. We are move and go through. Bad love and respect see away. In Virgin I laugh for 5. I say left a thing. I mean just left a piece of cookie with him Virgin. I mean not take nothing. That for sure you say I love Charlie do it. Come out in that public and a ball. But you see it though, I saw you go sometimes I will run where we look for blessings, you know? But it's all love same way, no problem with that. Let's go. How you mean? Yeah, my teacher, big up. How you mean? We outside massive. But one thing everybody have to know though, we have every kind of Jamaican, you understand? Every kind.
A lot of legacy in the music. I'm hoping that everything is right. When I seem to be ready.
We don't make nothing kill the vibe. Watch out, look good.
So he's a former.
Blessed me teacher, mad teach. Because I showed him a little bit of what going, you understand? Yeah man. Give a shout out now man. Big up some family me for here right now.
Yeah man, big up everybody.
Big up everybody.
Yeah man.
That is it. You want to big up somebody though? I mean, run some big up.
Big up my daughter, then Jada and Kayla. Big up my brother Carlen.
Yeah.
Big up my sister and my brother-in-law.
That is
big up
it.
Terry. Big up everybody.
That is it. But we part of that love.
Happy New Year's to everybody.
That is it.
Many more.
Many more. Fire, where's your wife or something though?
Big up Rosita and Rosanna, my daughter and my wife.
The daughter, your wife.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yes,
What you
yes,
mean?
yes.
Blessed love, see? That is it. Love always, no matter what. See? Look good.
I'm talking about
We are going to.
royalty. Let's welcome on stage a young man and his boys that come like this. Please help me welcome Kumar! Right here, right now!
some people might have said Ray, but we can't make none kill the boy because some majority of the people them want to show love. You understand? So that's what you
Yes, you gotta bring forth. Yeah, don't stop. been rough for many of us, but I pray the Most High Jah will bring each and every one of you more milk and honey seed. Whoa, and they don't bring forth to the milk and honey don't. Whoa, yeah, Jah, 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 Jah. So yes, greetings of love. My name is Kumar. You understand? Original fire, raging, roots rocking. I'm happy to be here with you tonight. It's a wonderful night in Kingston, Jamaica. Make some noise for Jamaica. Yes, Jaja. So right now, we're gonna play this one for you. We travel a lot playing reggae music around the world. And this is the song I love to sing every night. Check it. When I'm far away, come darling, see you. When I'm far away, I count the days to see you. Always Jamaica, I love you. Yeah. When I'm far away, count the days, see you. Yes, John.
So massive, how you feeling? That is it.
Yeah.
Just inform me that to get on that side, you got to pay the UDC, so it don't set up like yeah, so I set up now to get closer to the stage. You have to pay for your armband, so we could go find out right now. So the security say you have to go in a UDC now to pay for your armband. Now try to figure out how you go inside here. Blessed respect. Alright. Jamaica walk by. Now try to figure out how to go on the other side. So them say you have to pay, you know. We go cross. Is it inside here or how we do so? I'm not stream live you know, so I'm going to be careful. Make it take look decent. Alright then. Make a run invitation. What's that doing for me? Thank you very much, my boss. Good afternoon and good night to all beautiful people. Blessed love. Alright. Let me ask you, since you're here so relaxed and nice, I figure out how to get closer to the stage. I'm actually a live stream now, so I have over 1,400 people that watch the stream. And I need to get a little closer. I didn't know that they have to pay to get this year is kind of set up a little bit different. So I'm going to try to find out how much I have to pay and where. Because I really want to get closer. Because as you can see what I do too, see, bunch of things are going. Yeah, or me share something very important to them 1,000 people here we're up on the live now.
Who want to go close to the stage?
Me want Jamaica walk by.
You want to go close to the stage?
Yeah, I want to pass there. So me here like no, actually I do a bunch of things. I'm streaming live for Jamaica Walk By. This backpack is actually for running some ads for Digicel and stuff. But I really need to get closer to the stage. Yeah, but there's some, I think the security said to me I have to pay. So if you want to bust me, that would be nice. All like persons them now would love of UDC even bigger. I mean they are going to crazy fee big up, so I guess the reason it was great. So massive, as you can see, this nice beautiful lady is actually gonna put on a handband on my arm so I can go closer to the stage. How beautiful is that? When I see some foreign people alone, me get them treatment and me get them treatment in my yard too. Oh you mean? God is good all the time. So my nice friend, send a big up the man, big up the nice family.
Big up to my children.
That is it.
And big up to my colleague.
Yes.
Big up to UDC.
Yes.
Big up to God, Happy New Year's to everyone. Big up to my loved ones, my family and friends. Big up Miss Sharon.
Yes, Miss Sharon. I like her now, she Miss Spirit come take as me come in here now.
Big up UDC.
That is it.
Big up
Beautiful. Alright, so big up all massive respect and love. Oh, next year, me not have to bother come in here. Me just get one band come to her, me mail her, me come pick it up. And so me have to go deal with it. I wonder who me talk to for that. Mr. Blue Shirt, coming in like you just come from the gym. Oh, you move so strong. Big up yourself, man. Blessed and love. Always. That's how me stay. Jamaica walk by. So massive seat there. We get a band for me on right about now. And we are go cross and we are go closer to the stage. How good is that? That is it. So big up all UDC, massive, all the staff inside here. Some nice, beautiful people. They run them thing nice and lovely. This is wonderful over here. I don't know what it is, but me love it. So we're gonna go back to the show. It's a village.
With Point Village Resort, Negril.
Point Village Resort, Negril, massive.
That used to be owned and operated by UDC.
Oh yeah? So what happened to it now? It's sell out?
Right.
Okay. Alright, so for that beautiful information, we have over 1,400 persons on the stream. Anything you want to say to the world? Say something to the world. Make it flow. Nice out of your mouth now. Let's go. Love.
You're missing fireworks. You should have been here. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. If you still do have time, so come down and enjoy the show.
Alright. So one question I'm going to ask. What I can do for next year when I have to come in here so come big one armband? When you just make me get one. Jamaica walk band. Yeah. When I can add my name. I always try to email on but he never really, me never get back no response. So I don't know what to do.
You can buy a ticket.
Yeah.
You can buy a ticket.
Just come down here so come by. Alright, blessed
no,
love.
Usually they do it online. They're doing it online now.
Yeah. Alright, more love, yeah. That is it. Figure that. Alright. Blessed. So we are go back. I want him to beg you for do for me now. I hold the door. Thank you so much. Yeah. Blessings, my boy. Respect. So me get through, see? More love. Someone say we are go closer now. The show start now. Look good there, man. Yeah, massive. At first we see this since recently. Yeah. Alright. So the security friend. And the armband if you have. That is it. More love and respect. Why are you still here? Come true.
Jamaica.
Oh, you know what is now on the order.
Let's hear it for Kumar. Talk to me, the people, talk to me. Fireworks Festival, Waterfront. Talk to me now, man. Life, love, and harmony. As we do it big. As we do it big in 2023. Come on now. Let me hear you. Let me hear you. Let me hear you. Come on. Big up to the band on the stand. Cheers. Life, love, and harmony. You know, but Jamaican people don't feel good. Jamaican people don't feel good. That me I talk about. It's been a great evening so far. But you know, it's my time right now. Look like some my work done. A time for me to leave the stage, you know. Yes.
You clear it up?
But don't worry. I'm going to be leaving you in some great hands right now. I have a brother that I have admired for years. You know, I'm on radio right now because of people like the gentleman I'm about to call on stage. I used to listen to this man on radio and pretend to be him when I was younger. And that is why it's important for you to put your best work out there every single day. Now, I don't have his gifts. I don't have the gift of his big bass voice. I don't have, you know, his bigger body. But I've made use of what I have. I know I'm comedic. I know I can hold a crowd. I know that Jamaicans know me from a long time, like Chilean days, no. But I also know that I am from a great people. So ladies and gentlemen, before I go, I just want to say thank you very much for an awesome 2023. You have inspired me. I've learned so much from you. And I want you to know I will continue to grow as a Jamaican so that I can even impart the best of myself to the people of this country. So right now, I'd like to introduce the gentleman that's about to take the show to another level. Ladies and gentlemen, he's no stranger to this particular stage, and you know him and love him for years. Please help me welcome broadcaster, veteran, man of media, a man of many different schemes and worlds. Please help me welcome Richie B to the stage.
Wow. Good night, downtown Kingston. How you all doing? Thank you, Johnny. How are you? I haven't been introduced like that in my 30-year span in broadcasting.
Cool, man.
I hope you have that on record, everybody, so I can get a chance to replay it over and over again.
Yes, sir.
How are you, my brother? You're wearing my hat, or am I wearing yours?
Well, tell you what. I felt so honored when I saw you in a hat like this. I said, no, Johnny, you reached now.
No, if I'd come down here not wearing my hat and I saw you in mine, in a hat like that, I'd think that Johnny stole my hat. No, we actually shop at the same place, obviously.
That's right.
Keeping the same company as far as fashion is concerned. Great job as usual, my brother.
Thank you so much. UDC, it's been a pleasure. Big up yourself. Thank you so much.
So we are closer to the stage now, massive. So look good. Big up the UDC every time for granting me this spot to come closer to the stage.
All right, give it up for Johnny, please. Yes, how has he grown? Talking about his wife backstage, this is one of the few shows where I get a chance also to take my entire family. I don't always have that opportunity, neither do I want to in some instances because of what we expect to be coming from the stage. But tonight my wife and my two sons, one of whom is celebrating his birthday today, are with me. Good night and welcome. All right, is everybody doing all right? Somebody make some noise. You're kind of far away, but I want to hear you loud and clear. All the pretty ladies, let me hear you scream. If you're from uptown Kingston, make some noise. Watch what go on now. If you are from downtown Kingston, I want to hear you make some noise. All right, on behalf of the UDC, I'm very happy to be here. The second time I'm touching this stage. One thing about the UDC and their partners, they try to improve what I saw as a perfect product every year. And so you're seeing some changes. We're loving it.
Let's load up back again. Let's load up back again.
A great lineup is on tonight. But apart from the entertainment, are you here to see the fireworks? That's right. Many people have traveled from far just to be here for that. Ladies and gentlemen, this brother had the Song of the Year very recently on the Jamaican music landscape. He's a kingman in this business. Please help me welcome Ras I. Ras I.
Almighty, Almighty. And I say, we give thanks for the gathering. Good evening, Kingston, Jamaica. I see that in the place. I want to tell you all congratulations, we have made it to 2024. If you're grateful for see 2024, clap yourselves right now. Some people don't love life, but realize that. If you're grateful for see 2024, clap yourselves right now. It's a blessing, man. Little more tempo, my general. This is the prayer. Hear my call. That's how we are kick it off. Because we have to remember, in everything, consciousness is a must. Reverence is a must. Love is a must. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh. Hear my call. Jah show us the direction. Yeah, we fall short. Oh, Jah, still I'm striving for perfection. Yeah, so many lost, so gone, straying from your lessons. Yes, Jah, hear my call. Hear my call. Give me the kettle. Had a word with the man in the mirror. Tried to see it clearer. Told me to look past all these egos. Acceptance is your hero. Told me in these last days, people searching for the wrong things. Tell them growth is everlasting. Can't judge me for my past ways. Don't let the petulance, arrogance be the reason why we get out ourselves. I recommend hold your defense. Show them I love you representing. Petulance, arrogance can be the reason why we get out ourselves. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, so here my God. Jah show us the direction. Yeah, we fall short. Oh, Jah, still I'm striving for perfection. Yeah, so many lost, so gone, straying from your lessons. So hear my call. Oh, Jah, hear my call. Take them across the water, bro. Yeah, 'cause even through the roughest and the toughest times, I won't let them change me, won't let them break me. Always make a joyful sound, 'cause noise shall hold no space. Remember what I say. So hear my call. Jah show us the direction. Yeah, we fall short. Rastafari know. but I'm striving for perfection. Yes, Jack, so many lost, so gone, straying from your lessons. Hear my call, hear my calling. I say, petulance, arrogance can be the reason why we get out ourselves. I recommend hold your defense, because I love me representing. Petulance, arrogance can be the reason why we get out ourselves. Nah, 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 nah. Hear my call, Rastafari. Same time. May I ask a question? Good evening, hi, how are you? You're looking very lovely tonight. Me look ugly? No. Me sound bad? Me sound good? So how wanna deal with me, sir? Nobody no want get up, we no want dance. But notice from where they are, nobody no want enjoy themselves. Everybody afraid because of this phone thing. My lord, life is short. Look how much a winner there. Who did there? Where there? Full joy yourself. That one your name somewhere wonderful. Love it. Thank you very much. Thank you. You love it now. Them a show off for me. I don't know how them don't want to give you the energy, but you there, so we're going to hold our vibes again. Ready again? Warm and easy, that's how we do it. Yes, sir. Oh, the lie. Na, 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 na. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Take me somewhere wonderful. So tired of being misunderstood. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I'll keep on doing all the good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause life always works out as it should. Well, hear me now. I said for so long, we are hold on. I look at things that we so strong. She said them so gone, but them program. We are by the preference so gone. So when me do, me try to on the right road. Surround myself with the right folks. The ones who always keeping eye closed. The kind of love them can't fight out. Jackie by the clarity, we only want what is best for humanity. I don't need that charity right now, man, only want the opportunity. That's all it is truthfully. If I were you to me, so when the music is the right place and I'm in the right, maybe something wonderful. So tired of being misunderstood. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I'll keep on doing all the good. Yeah, yeah. Cause life always works out. I'm giving it mix right now. So tell the fools when I bust it up. Out a road, find an empress and palliate up. In a house, but the winner low walking. Land a ground, but the wicked low talking. Land a ground, tell the fools when I bust it up. Out a road, find a woman and go lay down. In a house, but with no low stock. And remember this, spend no time chasing anything when I gonna be life changing. Cause moments wasted can't be returned, they can't rewrite the pages. Hold on, may I sing that again? And a joke lyrics may I sing. The music nice, you can dance, you make your video them and think, but listen to the lyrics. The music nice, but the message is very important. Just as important, even more important. Ready again? And hear me now. Spend no time chasing anything when I'm gonna be life changing. Cause moments wasted can't be returned, you can't rewrite the pages. So what? Please, Jah, give us the clarity. We only want what is best for humanity. I don't need them charity right now, man, only want the opportunity. That's all it is truthfully. If I were you to me, so when the music is the right place and I'm in the right, take me somewhere wonderful. So tired of being misunderstood. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I'll keep on doing all the good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause life always works out as it should. Play it smooth. Take me somewhere wonderful. Rastafari, tired of being misunderstood. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I'll keep on doing all the good. Yeah, yeah. Take me somewhere wonderful. Take me somewhere wonderful. Yeah, man, give me some applause and think, man. Come on, sound good, though. If me I go on good, say, go on, King Man.
Go on, King Man.
Don't ramp with the consciousness on the forward, in a man. That one I name Kingman thing. If you don't know me, remember I tell you, you're not gonna forget I. So remember the face, remember the name, remember the smile, remember the voice. Hear that? Hear that? Kingman thing. Kick it, man.
That is it. Remember you used to say, so I not get no question, I get the whole light, you know.
The way that tune you pick is all about the city.
Big up the man. Yeah, man. Everybody.
Them a call me a Dan, but I love man I use a banana. Show the youths them a plan, cause I time me move on the run. Yeah, the world know me a Jenna, become up with the youths and live better. Me say the youths already have me no step up. Show them a little bit of stop Jenna. Me not business in the man and I say we are pulling them ready again my father. Call me a Dan, but I love when I used to want the land. Show the youth them a plan. Cause I time me with the world know me a Jenna, because I'm up in the youths and they better.
Alright, massive. So when I realized though, it looked like some interference there over on the other side or something where I affect the server or something. Because I realize when we come back out of that little part there, everything seems alright. So I'm not sure what is happening over there. Why keep on interfere with the service? So I'm not going too close to the stage because it'll give me some bad interference and things. So I don't know why. So I could load up back. So y'all realize how smooth it run now. That's actually over on the other side.
You know some lyrics to the big time. I will propose this already, my brother. I love the arrangement, I love the instrumentation, I love the vocals, everything about that song. Really classic. Give it one more time, a round of applause please downtown. All right, are there any visitors here to the shores of Jamaica? Where are you?
So massive, as I was saying to you, some interference between that area there. Every time I go that area, it break up. for some reason, so we now go that side. We just gonna have some fun on the outskirts and going through the crowd.
I saw my good friend in the Saxon backstage. I don't know if he's flying in from Dubai or we worked together a few months ago. Good night to your family as well. Big ups to both of us and of course all the other peeps backstage. Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm waiting for the cue. And now that I've gotten it, I can tell you that we have an artist that the ladies are gonna love in a big, big way.
So let's load up. So this is actually what the VIP section look like over here at the UDC waterfront show. You understand? So let's see if we can go backstage a bit. We could load up it back. So big up to UDC every time. Big up to UDC if we make this show possible every year. You know, food over here. Might as well me here, me just go and feed my face. You know, so that I got look good now, man. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. I'm hoping that we not break up again.
All right.
Ras, big up every time again. Blessings and love. You don't know you have to say something to the massive. You understand? That was a beautiful performance a while ago. Always, I listen to your tune them and everything. So you just want to do it same way. Want to say, the lot for them for next year again?
Yeah, man. Them better ready, man.
Them better ready. Alright, that is it. So massive. So me did the kind of the far a while ago, but me I try video. Some interference every time I got the front of the stage. Yeah. Sometimes me greet around at the back. But you have to go send a big up. Who you want big up, you know?
I just big up all of the fans, all of the supporters, all family. Just stay up on the train, bound to glory.
That is it. Respect and manners, right? Elbow bumps, respect. Blessings. Respect. So massive with the backstage. That is one of the greatest things about Jamaica Walk Bike, you know. We get some nice access, you know. Big up every time to UDC. You know, for grant me this. No found don't know what the backstage look like, so make me show them. So now me I move fully. I fully agree. Say. So I'm moving from over the interference side because trust me, something definitely I want over there.
Happy New Year with the Father, you know. We say health and strength, prosperity, and understanding, most of that. So this one, I represent for everyone here. Down at town, Spain town. One here. Remember.
Doing a mighty fine job. Are you in a rush to get out of 2023 and welcome 2024? Was 2023 a good year for you? Let me ask the question again. Was 2023 a good year for you?
Alright, so
are you ready to make 2024?
I'm not sure why we are getting these interference, but trust me.
Alright,
this is a big event, so it could be anything.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to now introduce to you, on fireworks on the waterfront, a beautiful lady with an angelic voice. I'm still trying to determine whether or not I preferred her when she sang songs like Love Me, songs like If Only You Knew. But one thing I know for certain, when she sang Me Love You Like Mango, I claimed that as my very own song. Are you ready, downtown Kingston? Please help me welcome the beautiful and talented Savannah!
So we have Savannah on stage right about now. Girl, what's that? We love you like mango.
But we get so used every time. Now I'm not trying to preach to you, but it's a fact we can know the truth. Getting dragged around where do you see?
So big up to all my massive, we are joining back the live. Talk to me. Big up to Market, Jamaica, you don't know anything, but big up every time. Big up to all my diatic subscribers, them you don't know. We're ringing the new year in a fine style, you understand? Yeah.
And see how we're stalling, by the energy of Holland, just like up in a movie.
Big up to Jason Gina in the live, you understand? Live with Chef Danzy, you don't know, big up Danzy Kitchen in the house, you understand?
Big bad exclusive, but where evil I use you, don't be used. If you know this next one, sing it with me.
Ann Ramsey, I see you.
Ready?
Philip, I see you, big up every time.
It's waiting.
You don't know?
No man, so tired, sleepy, can't take the nagging in.
Javari, I see you, big up every time. Freedom Earners, big up every time. Tina Lee, you're back in the house. Mad love, mad respect.
Definitely number one here now. Hey, have you ever? Have you ever been in love? Have you ever? Have you ever? Have you ever been in love? Hey, like I said, slow motion, beat from your heart, wine with devotion. Decide when you give me smooth no lotion, they make the waves that I rise up in on my own. I'm in a way from far, give me the close one. And not that alone, I make the loving so strong. Who want my every way, but it does it does. all of us. If you're anything like me, you've been through ups and downs, all kind of tragedies. And if you encourage yourself and encourage your neighbor as well, that you're blessed. And I feel like this could be the theme for 2024. You're walking into 2024. Blessed. Why you believe? Try to my best for the purpose. All the way till the massive I'm a season. Now see the rest of me invite you from one day. What is the reason? How them I go like to me never. My head is not up in the sky. Oh, you don't know what goes on here behind my smile. Me, I make them know every day is a choice for right. I saw it all, I'm tired, try to take my life. Will not forget this voice inside. The time blessed, so blessed, I'm so blessed, I'm so blessed.
Bless it. So we just roam through the crowd a little bit massive. And I think the crowd I get real thicker right about now. So we're right from the waterfront. Everywhere, people are everywhere. Even right on the waterfront, right on the seaside. I go through them, my boss. Everywhere. Make a run through this one. Darling. Make a run future. Respect. Oh, respect. Sorry, that moment. Sorry. We're going through. So many of these people just make sure them get a front row seat. Big run through them. And make sure them get a front row seat on the waterfront for the fireworks. You understand, massive? Yeah. Not joke. This crowd is massive. People everywhere. So massive, if you are watching and you subscribe it, please. You know it go. Subscription is free. Jamaica walk by, big up yourself, teacher. Whole heap of not going. That is it. Yeah. Massive event. What? No, we're not celebrating. Big up the arch, yeah, Jamaica walk by. There you go, yeah. Massive people everywhere. So all of these massive we sit on the front right, so you know, say front row seat that the fireworks. And fireworks is like approximately 57 minutes away, and the place still a get packed. Still I get wrapped. Massive event everywhere, people there. Yeah, I try everything to stop it from break up, but I guess because so many persons using their data and their phone and the internet and stuff, there's so many signal block, there's so many data, your digital probably well exhausted right now. And we stand up right at them building. Look good. Right at them building with it. Have it on the best setting to run it smoothly, just like downtown the other day, but trust me. Loads of interference. So for all the massive here, I actually have another camera recording the event, so you guys don't have to worry, you see? So if you don't get the live stream, tomorrow you can forward and just watch, or tonight you can watch the full thing from the start. See? So I actually have 2 cameras mounted right now, so I got you. So we not miss nothing. So even when the live break up, I was still recording with the other camera. You understand? So I got you. So this is just the live that is happening right now. But for later on, I'm going to upload the pre-recorded version of this beautiful in 4K. So I got you. So big up to all my massive who is here right now watching. You don't know the love is real. See, and we maybe just big up some people. So right now, you don't know EC up on the live same way. You don't know Jason and Gina still there. Big up to Jason and Gina every time. You don't know. Homestead, big up the man. Javari, I know the thing though. We say it a stick. I fully understand. You understand? Me know the vibe, but I wish you never did that stick though. You understand? So, no matter where I go, I just saw it I go on. So first is them just there wait for waterfront, the whole fireworks. Hope me have enough juice. Yeah, I believe me have enough juice to reach the fireworks, so all the way anticipate the fireworks. Crazy clappers are boss and thing right now. People everywhere. Only thing I don't like them, I like that them just throw all the clappers in the crowd. Babies are run, and that is just dangerous, you see me? See the massive everywhere. People, while Savannah performing live. So I could see if we can load up back here. So we're just on the outskirts a little bit from the stage show where some people choose to, you know, come and hang out and hold a vibe, you know, take some pictures out of the crowd and thing. But massive, it's a massive, massive crowd. This little girl having fun. Yeah. You have food everywhere. So who never know that building is the Digicel headquarters right now in Jamaica. It's located down here in Waterfront. That's the Digicel building right there. Yeah. I know that the building are never locked. Straight through 24 hours. Yeah. I hear juggling capacity, my teacher, go and do it now, man. Yeah. The work have to go on. Just want them to be careful, you know. So massive, take a look. Let me raise this thing higher. Alright, so as you can see, people still storming in because 8 after 11 now in the night, Jamaica time, and fireworks is 12. We see the ship line up itself already over there and dock up for the fireworks and things. All like massive them when they are Waterfront, they still got time to come on down. Crazy amount of artists. You don't know, whole heap of big artists leave to perform because the real show actually just start after fireworks. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah. So big up again to Market Jamaica. I have one of them knapsack right now with a bunch of promotion running on there. So for all the massive them who have them ad and them thing where them want to run while I walk with the knapsack on my back and thing. Let me see who can use camera. Let me just find a random person who can use a camera. Alright. Yeah, yo, my teacher, big up. You think you could have hold a camera and make a video on my back? No, me more a video. Look now, man, easy now, man. Just hold this up and see it. Look on the screen and see it. I'm back more at the video screen. Alright then, big up yourself. Let me see who else. Yo, my teacher, you look swaggy and bougie. I beg a video on my back there. Just hold the camera here right so that is it. See the screen there? Yeah. And just video the thing from my back, make them see. Alright? So this is how it look like. Yeah, wait till I catch it. Yeah. That is it. Alright, see there? So we just pick somebody off, right? Big up. Where's that? Him do a good job. When you tell me, big up yourself, hear that? So that is just the odd thing that running on the knapsack and the back. Yeah. So we're still on the outskirts. But for some reason it look like an outer, so we get some nice service and signal and all of the good things. You don't know over there, so again, center camera, food again, stuff for the kids and beer things. So this is where everybody walk from afar in the event. You see me? Yeah. So we're up again to 300 persons. You don't know, I could get it back to 2,000 person back on the line. Now me I worry if we go back into the crowd, the interference I go get mad again. So I don't know what to do. But it's crazy. I need a mouse, a computer mouse to operate something on the backpack here so we can stream live on the backpack too as well. So let me tell you a little bit about the backpack that I'm wearing, Zin. So with the backpack that I'm wearing, it is manually controlled by somebody overseas. Sometimes or occasionally, Zin, where once the Wi-Fi is connected to it, it can actually change the things on the display, or it can actually create a display, a playlist where persons' ads and videos can loop and it keep running like every 10 seconds, every 15 seconds until all of them played out and then it loop again. So that is the knapsack that I'm wearing. You understand? I think it's a very great way for persons in the street. Oh, this is my teacher. Big up every time, man. Go on, blessed love, my G. Respect. So I think it's a great way for persons to have their ad. Because remember, this is thousands of people down here right now, and I have on a backpack that is running ad. So the backpack is so unique that nobody don't let this backpack pass without looking at it. So once you're looking at it, you're reading what it's saying, and I'm walking, and persons walking behind me. Crowd walking behind me, just looking at the bag and waiting for all the other ads and stuff to run on there. So imagine, I have a few Jamaica walk by stuff that I want to run on this bag while I'm walking, and I want to get thousands of other persons who have commercials. If you have an ad, if you don't have an ad, you can send us the information and we will make the ad for you to run on the bag. And all of this comes at a small fee, see? Or a monthly subscription. So if you want to run your product on Jamaica Walk By and a monthly subscription on the knapsack out in the street, Jamaica, foreign, anyway, you can actually just link us up or link up Market Jamaica on Instagram and send him a message and you can take it from there. So the Instagram is Market Jamaica. Then you can link them up and you'll see exactly the bag that I'm wearing right now. And place your order and talk to the G. He's a very dynamic youth who know a lot about technology, and I just want to say big up every time. You see me, my bro? Yeah. So massive, we take time go back. We just a trickle go back into the crowd. I hope it not break up and thing. A lot of ladies come out, holy man, kids, everybody. Ladies them come out in them best dress and all these things, you know? Yeah. That is what I don't like. I don't like that them a fling the clappers them in the crowd. That is not cool. You see me? Yeah. So massive, I'm gonna raise the camera up so you can see the magnitude of person right now. The drone up in the sky now. This one now, that live stream. Right now so you can see what you look like. You can video you now, man. See that? This is the beautiful lady I was talking to a while ago. You have to go send a big up now, you know.
Alright, big up my friend, them, big up my family, big up my brother, big up my man and parents, big up my son and my daughter. I can draw.
That is it.
That is it. Big up Jamaica people.
Hey, good day. Roll out no dolly. Love my Jamaican people them every time, you know what I mean? That's how we stay. So hey, some of Jamaica we ignorant, you know, but we still have to love ourselves here. Yeah, not true. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, we have 400 persons back on the line. Let's get it back to 2,000 before the fireworks start. Fireworks are gonna start 12 o'clock. So massive, don't leave, don't leave. If you're here for if you're watching for the ladies them there. If you're not watching the man, them you know say them there. If you're not watching the food there. Everything there, everything bougie. Jamaica with it, it's all great. JJ Adventure, I want to give you a special big up. You don't know, you've been on every one of the live, them coming on and off, and you keep on letting the persons them know so them to like, them to subscribe, them to share, and I respect that. So big up every time, and manners and love every time. You hear that, my teacher? No joke, no doubt. We're up on the outskirts, massive. We just take time a trickle go back in and thing. So anyhow, me start trickle go back in and me see it a break up, we in a trouble. See them me start trickle go back in and it start break up. I don't know where this interference coming from. I make back a little stroll. We're down in the event. City Rock, big up yourself, no doubt. You see me? Homestead, big up every time also. Sophia Walker, big up every time. Lesson I place. Cube Princess. Yeah, what you say? I always like and share. Respect and manners, man, that is it.
Alright, that was a little taste of what's happening inside of Montego Bay. And you heard Sugar doing her thing down here. Big respects to Sugar. Maximum respect to the crew inside of Montego Bay, the crew in Ocho Rios, and the crew in Kingston City. An iconic reggae band is coming up later on to perform. They go by the name Third World. Yeah, are you here to see Third World tonight? Yeah, they're just a few moments away from the stage. A police officer gave me a note a while ago, and Aiden Maxwell. He's only 5 years of age. Aiden Maxwell. They call him Kale. 5 years of age. He can't be found.
Make a run, them teacher.
I think
Watch
he
your
was
back.
last seen by the Kiddies Village, and his mother Kimmy is close to the front of the stage near the VIP area. If anyone has Kale or Aiden Maxwell, please take him to the front of the stage to my left. A police lady, beautiful lady in khaki uniform, will actually accept Kale and allow him to reconnect with his mom. All right? So Kale, if you're listening, come to the front of the stage. Aiden Maxwell, 5 years of age, we want to find you. All right. Is there anyone in the audience celebrating a birthday today and can prove that you're celebrating a birthday? Those December 31 babies, they say you got impatient at the end of the year and could not wait until the new year began. If you are celebrating a birthday today, I have a gift for you. Come to the front of the stage and let's make that presentation very, very quickly. All right. Remember, you have to have proof that you were born on December 31. Okay, sir? I won't, hold on, Emil. I won't call the year, although I'm very tempted to, but I won't. I keep my promise. Happy birthday to you, sir. Can you reach this? Maybe right at this side. Just because you were born on December 31, 1900 and? I won't say. Yeah, congratulations. My son John Mark is backstage. He's having a birthday today as well. And Johnny also gave me a shout out for, I think, somebody by the name of Nayoka. Yeah, Nayoka Johnson. But we are moments away from shouting out Nayoka for her birthday because hers is on January 1. All right. Is there anyone holding on to your birthday too? You want a present? Where's the proof?
There's so many persons here.
So many people celebrating birthdays. I don't know if we have enough gift baskets, but this is Nadrita. Is it Nadrita? Nadria. And she was born in the year, I'm not gonna call it. Let me check the birth date now. No, hold on. Oh, there you go. December 31 birthday. Collect a gift package at the side of the stage. Can we do one more birthday? Only one more. Well, you're taking very long. Somebody already took one of the baskets. You can't find the proof? Where's the ID? If you don't have the ID, you can't get the prize. But on your birthday, somebody's going to say happy birthday to you. That's all I can do. If you don't have the proof, we can't do it. But while we're at, we need it quickly. In the meantime, if you're holding on, if you're in the audience holding on to a Jamaican flag, come forward right now and collect a prize. Right now, if you're holding on to a Jamaican flag, we want to give you something tonight. Anyone holding on to a Jamaican flag, going once, going twice, come forward very, very quickly. All right, that's not working out. Not from this vantage point. Yep. Jamaican flag. Come around if you got it.
So again, big up to the 500 and odd persons who is here. You don't know, big up every time.
Let me see this.
Yeah, man, everything goes by. Jamaica walk by.
In the nick of time, you were able to show us through. So, for that, I'm going to give you this wonderful gift package, my lady. Happy birthday to you. And all the best going forward. Congratulations. All right. Yeah.
So, it look like I'm going to jump in just a little bit. Because it's a hurt, you understand?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo. I know this is Jamaica. I know this is Jamaica. You're not Jamaican, are you? Where are you from, sir? French Guyana? Oh boy, I'm looking at the crowd. You're wrapped in the Jamaican flag. I think everybody.
So big up to all the massive who actually stay and still supporting the live, still here, watching and things. Oh yeah, we're still going.
Alright, just for donning the Jamaican flag, that is all yours. To enjoy. You know, one more time. Take a picture.
Let's take a little walk again. Slide in. Big up yourself. Yeah. Everything good. That is it. Veteran taxi driver from your local youth, you know? Yeah.
The Prime Minister of Jamaica. That's coming up in a very, very short time. Are you enjoying yourself?
You mean I enjoy myself when my Jamaica walk by massive. Let's go to 600. Let's go back to 600.
Do you want to see some fireworks at midnight? We're standing by to hear from the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Happy New Year, Jamaica. Thanks again to the UDC as partners for
After you have something done as a
fireworks on the top.
Them happy have something down here, so I jam the signal them.
More Jamaicans the opportunity to enjoy the fireworks.
Yes, that is it.
UDC plays a critical.
No, Jamaica walk by, we are stream live, you know. Because I teach them like camera and stuff. If I say that, I'm not gonna set it up. Big up every time, bro.
Such as the Local Resilience Park, which I will break down next week. Kingston have a living
So all the massive on the live, I don't know what is going on, but we still got you. We're still recording, but the live has ended. I'm gonna try one more time and to see what's going to happen.
Of course, the UDC.
But it seems like they have something jamming signals or something, I don't know. But once I come in this area, it turn off. And I'm gonna try again.
Caves and attractions in St. Anne and the Harmony Beach Park in Montreal. As we continue to build a strong future, let us embrace all the opportunities with New Year by securing our built environment and creating purpose urban spaces, living, recreation, using families, and doing business. 2024, the testament, collective determination to transform our nation. Unity, peace. Happy New Year, Jamaica. You're watching the UDC Fireworks Festival 2023, brought to you by the UDC. Alright, that was the Prime Minister of Jamaica with a message. Thank you, PM. In case you wondered whether or not he was going to make an announcement in relation to the election date, not tonight. And in case you wondered whether or not I know the date for that very important engagement on the national calendar, I don't. More than that, if you think I know who's going to win it, I don't. I'm not going to ask you to thank you very much, Prime Minister, for all this. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for more? This brother, are you ready for more entertainment? That's a little better. Like myself, this entertainer hails from the eastern end of Jamaica. He was proud in saying that neither sticks nor stones could break his bones and stop him from embracing the works of the Almighty. He's a gospel singer, par excellence, known across Jamaica and the world over. Ladies and gentlemen, I consider him more than a conqueror. Are you ready to tell? Make some noise, please. Welcome.
you just tell me a while ago. Because show me a work, you know. Me like the skin. Me like the skin. Yeah, me like the skin.
That's not where you want it.
Yeah, go through the page. done the right or so? Huh? I done the right or so?
Janet, now come back.
Sell out. I said, I'm not happy to the port done. Last piece, Lord have mercy. Oh my word. That was awesome. Yes, these are like about last night. Yeah, baby, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, right now. Sing it, that is it. Big up my more love and respect. You don't know that, man. Which are going to base? The half a drink? Which part now half a drink?
Right at Turkey.
Right away?
Right at Turkey. Popping.
Oh, that's all. Okay, that is it, man. Every Friday and Saturday. Alright, big up on yourself and more love, hear that? It was great. Yeah, man. Alright, so what you know? So G, I will have vibe and him say, yo, him and him family and him G, them there, so I will have vibe. Look good now, man. One love, one respect. That is it. What you drinking? What you drinking, man? What you drinking?
Mango.
Look good now, man. Right. Absolute.
Yeah, man.
Look good. How you mean? I know him a drive. I see the Ray and him
nephew. Big up the Williams family. Big up St. Mary.
Big up that.
Doing the park. Big up Waterhouse.
Yeah.
And big up my 10 pitney them.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Play the road, man.
For the media.
It look like are you fixing it in
What do you mean?
Yeah. Fix it.
Yeah, idiot. Oh, yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot. Oh.
Now, so all I know, are you drinking up all of this?
Yeah, man.
The back is empty, man. Watch out. Hey, yeah, you see how you?
Hold it.
Empty.
Watch out.
Empty. Drain it, ring it, man. Ring it. Ring it back to best and love, you hear me, teacher? A Jamaica walk by, hear that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's a vibe, it's an energy always. Outside, I would say New Year. Nothing get to live to see that. Them and then we there.
Yes, man.
Enjoy, no man, figure that. That is it. General say I have 10 pitney, so you know that go. So much I realize that over them side of the interference there, so I go back on the other side and get it right, you understand? Because I run the way I want it over here, so we go back down on the chop. So we are going to stay stage and watch the event. You know what I do, you know? Thirsty. I go through them area. So massive people everywhere. People there everywhere, massive. Yeah. Blessed.
We come to earth here, but we don't want to earth.
So massive. Nice, I like it. Alright. So I realize now, the further I go away from the main stage, we get better signal. So, yeah. So massive, I may say the whole of downtown Kingston just full with people. Held to capacity. And it's almost midnight. It's almost midnight. And we're outside. The massive people everywhere. Further I move away from the main stage, but actually get better reception. So they have something interfere with the signal. Every time I reach that side, it cut off. So I don't know. So I make sure so I not even walk across it. We go back on the other side. So we'll go back on the other side where we can get really good service and all of that. You understand? So I'm just going to show now everywhere people there. Everywhere. Everywhere. No, without the police, I'm saying nothing good. Yeah. Look good. Yeah. So I could load it back up again. My teacher, so I beg you 1 minute there. Now I want to call my next battery. So I beg you hold up phone for me, please. Yeah. Alright. Jamaica walk by see me a stream and thing. When a battery pack done, I don't want it done for me, you know. That's how we massive we change battery, so we're good to go. This is the tricky part right now. Alright, be here with me. Respect here. So massive I change some battery right now, so we soon start back, we soon move again. we are forward, we are going to start back shortly. I move and we just hook on this battery right here. I don't want to wait till the fireworks are going before we change battery. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, we're up and running again. Yeah, respect for all of the patience, all of the massive. Big up for the patience. Let's go again. Alright. So big up to everybody in the chat. They don't know mine or Jason in the chat. Big up to mine or Jason in the chat. You don't know we have EM, we have Sophia Walker in the chat, we have Everborn Jackson, you don't know anything, we have Homestead, we have Q Princess, you don't know. How this? Freedom Earner, big up every time for the contribution.
Now the messenger committed to the journey, so me I know I'm looking through the spirit and not physical eyes. Come on, me testify, hold on. Now me and the work of the boss. We like the end boss. Pick me from the mother, put me in my boss. Say yo, me and the work of the boss. Who like the end boss? Pick me from the mother, put me in my boss. Listen on the boss. Rearrange me like I should be dead. All over me. 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 Jesus is keeping me alive. So put it over your head and start. Go so. Cover me under your blood. Cover me under your blood. Cover me. Somebody just say. Cover me under your blood. The Lord bless you. The Lord keep you for 2024. May the Lord shine His face upon you. For 2024, my name is Randall Positive of the Blessed Night.
It's all about the fireworks right now, Patrick. Let's get ready.
We have a surprise to spring on you before midnight.
Load up, right
you
to the 1,000 right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, stage front with your eyes as we welcome Jamaica's Prime Minister. Give it up for Prime Minister Andrew Holness. To bring your greetings.
Thank you very much. I'm sure that you have enjoyed the performance of Randall Positive as much as I did. Randall, I like your message. But very quickly, 2024 will be Jamaica's year for prosperity, growth and development. 2024 will be your year when your dreams and visions materialize and come to reality. I want to take this opportunity to thank the board and management of the UDC and all the sponsors for putting this event on. A well done event, and I'm sure you agree. From my family to yours, I want to wish you all a happy, peaceful, productive 2024. God bless you, and God bless Jamaica, land we love.
Thank you, Prime Minister. Happy New Year to you and your family. Let's give it up for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, everybody. Yeah. I didn't expect that. That was quite a surprise. And ladies and gentlemen, we're standing by now for that moment when we bid 2023 goodbye and we enter, thanks to the Almighty, a new year, which will be a new year, which will be 2024. Are you ready for the countdown? It's going to be shown on the big screen down here at the waterfront under the theme Life, Love and Harmony. All courtesy of the UDC. It's fireworks on the waterfront. Have you been enjoying yourself so far?
That is it.
Have you been enjoying yourself so far? All those way up on the balcony at the ROK, big respects. Lighter! I see you. The countdown is about to start. Remember, after we hit midnight, we'll be bringing on Third World. Watch out for the countdown on the screen. What a moment. Anticipation at the very highest level. Stand on your feet. Give thanks to the Almighty for taking us through 2023 and crossing over into 2024. Will the year 2024 be your best year ever? Only you can make it happen. No one can stop you. Go for your dreams. Stay focused. Be positive. Spread some peace and love in every community. Are you ready, downtown Kingston? In 1 minute and 27 seconds, it will be a new year. Watch the screen at the back of the stage. The countdown is on. Ladies and gentlemen, what a moment. Take out your phones. Greet your neighbors. Shake somebody's hands. Say I love you to somebody. Kiss your loved one if they're beside you. Because in 56 seconds, it will be a new year. If you feel it, make some noise. If you're ready to bid 2023 goodbye, make some noise. Turn on your phones. Light up the lighters. Send a message to the world that we can survive in harmony. In 27 seconds, it will be 2024. Downtown Kingston, are you sleeping? Somebody make some noise. Let me know that you're here, and in 13 seconds, you will be ushering in the new year. Watch out for the fireworks in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody say,
them there. That's nice, don't it? Yeah.
Downtown Kingston, are you enjoying the fireworks? Make some noise! Do you want to see the fireworks? Make some noise! Should we start now or do you want want to see some more? Somebody say more. Say more. Somebody say, we want more. What a moment. It's 2024. To see this day, January 1. Happy birthday, Jamaica. Celebrate birthdays. Love you. Love you. Love you. All right. Thank you. If you enjoyed that, make some noise one more time. Are you ready to go home? If you're Jamaican and you're proud to be Jamaican, make some noise. If you're really, really, really happy to see 2024, come on, make some noise. I don't have a lot to do right now, except to say that this iconic Jamaican band is about to bring the curtains down on Fireworks 2024, celebrating over 50 years of existence. I brought along on the waterfront camera cruise the other day, and they mashed up the place, literally. They'll do it again tonight. Before they start playing, let's watch this video about the mighty Third World.
Now, I want you to know that this year 2020 has been a little bit difficult for everybody. There's turmoil all around the world, and I want us to really celebrate the fact that 2024 is coming. It's like the year already by the time we see it. And I just want you to know everyone wonderful and happy 2024. Third World is up next. This time something that the team guys were honored to be here. Let's go by Third World.
Alright, see me, put it out. Money time. Holy money time, rich. Yes, think of that. Rich.
There's a land I've heard about so far across the sea.
YouTube.
There's a land that I've heard about so far across the sea.
For our 2023, and I just want to say mad love for 2024. We're doing it bigger and better. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So massive. We did 100,000 subscribers in 2023, and can we make it to 500,000 subscribers for 2024? Let's do this. So big up to all my Jamaica Walk By massive who stay tuned with Jamaica Walk By through 2023 and before, and we're gonna be here after. See? Mad love, mad respect. So Third World is actually on stage, and let's get this performance.
Jamaica, come a Kingston, find a reggae band, travel Africa, travel Japan. Me mother put a me so she just know my man. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Tell them I get to whoa, whoa, yeah. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Take them high, take them low, take them in the place they wanna go. Reggae music, sure, love it so. See them from the man right down to them. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm just a reggae ambassador. I get to whoa, 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 yeah. I'm just a reggae ambassador. I'm a music, whoa, 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 yeah. I'm just a reggae ambassador. Richie Marr, Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Now we swear, I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador. Hit your road, can't you want to say Ambassador? I'm not a guy. Hey. Kingston, sing it away.
forbidden if it's love. Alright then. How could it be? Norris! How could it be? Comes out in them. Say, if it's love, girls. How could it be forbidden? The way I feel just can't remain hidden. Folks may talk, but I don't care. Cause wherever you are, girls, I wanna be there. Nothing comes close to the way you smile. And girl, your touch that drives me wild. You're everything I dream of. What? How could it be forbidden? If it's love, the passion, pain, it's all the same. Cause when it comes to you, this love, it's not a game for fame. But my name is loving you, and I pray. Cause you've been true. We were put here for a special reason. In a pot that's cooking, I'm deceiving. You're everything I dream of. Couldn't you be forbidden? If it's love, like a dove, love. Come on, I make a phone call to Jamaica. And the building is right there. The building is right here. So nobody tell me something now get through. I said, Jamaica, how you feeling in 24? Everybody say I win on my night. Yes.
La 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 la. Jamaica. Love you with a sense of purpose. Oh, such a sense of purpose. Jamaica. Love you with a sense of purpose. Such a sense of purpose. Jamaica. Love you with a sense of purpose. Everybody. Such a sense of purpose. Love you with every way. With a sense of purpose. La 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 la. Such a sense of purpose. Hey, love you. Jamaica. Such a sense of purpose. Love you. Such a sense of purpose. Hey, love you.
You can tell me Yes. Oh my goodness.
I want to send this one out to Robert P. Hill, CEO, KSAMC. Favorite tune. And all the other Jamaicans who love this tune. Love, and I think of life and you always around. Life can be such a sweet paradise and you're always around. I think of love and I think of life and you always around. Life can be such a sweet paradise and you're always around. Things will come and things will go. Our love will last forever, you know. I think of my love and I think of you and you're always around. Just thinking of you is such a sweet
Fire a couple shots for me. Fire a couple shots for me. We're good. We don't apologize. We're good. We're really good. Mr. Brown, are you with me? Yes, sir. It's an honor to be right here on the waterfront playing. And I just want to say to all the communities around here, yeah, man, nobody knows me around this, man. You know what I'm not saying. The kids growing up and stuff, I want you to try it. I'm not sure if they like music, play music, play piano, play the guitar, you know, whatever. Don't just go behind a computer and create some rhythm. Play, man.
That's why he's 9-1 in the world. 96 degrees in the real hot in the 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot, oh yes, in the shade. Said it was 96 degrees in the shade. 2,000 soldiers on parade. Well, the second thing we're drinking to meet a big fat choir sent from overseas, the Queen and Pro. Before I come with my representation, you know where I'm coming from. Hungry on the loose, fighting to be free. Now you showed me a news. I'm the country entertainment for you. But you watch it on me. Some will suffer and some will burn. But I know one day my people will learn. Sure as the sunshine way up in the sky. Today I stand here and be tell the truth and love and a lie. 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot, Jamaica in the shade. Well, it was 96 degrees in the shade. Real hot, in the shade.
So massive as third world perform right now, you don't know anything go. It's just a blessing, and I just want to say big up to everybody who stayed tuned and joined the video. It was just amazing, no joke, no doubt. And I just want to say mad love. I love you all with the love of Jah, you understand? Big up every time to all King Original Massive, you understand? Yeah. Special big up to all my dieted subscribers them who stay tuned to all the rough, the difficult, the great times. And I just want to say let's continue in 2024 to make Jamaica walk by massive. I'm going to aim for 500,000 subscribers in 2024 and we can do this. Yes. So big up to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. More love and respect. And think, you don't know, so we're going to close off Waterfront, you know, third world is on stage.
Somewhere feeling lonely. You're not the only one. You're not the only one. Now welcome to third world. Till them say, yeah, she's a number third world. No stony much. She daily have me done. Hit your brown and top and top. Up to down, no boy, no play guitar. But I can cook that. Carry slip for super cat. Alright then, oh one man so cool that and then like the listers never top. On the road you feel like thinking like a sticker doesn't not feel like an engineer. Like the top, I'll give the legend and the prop. Real uptown members that will bring them on the map. More money, more problem. So, if you're out there, somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the
So the new year is off to a start like this.
Somewhere feeling lonely. Jamaica, you're not the only one. Kingston, you're not the only one. Listen.
So massive, it is all love. Walking downtown Waterfront. And I just want to say thank you for a great 2023. No joke, no doubt. I can just see all the big things that is going to happen for 2024 for all the Jamaica Walk By family. Big up again to my new subscribers. You are super welcome to the family, and the week can go far, you understand? Big up to Market JA for the backpack. It was just great. Brings a lot of excitement just walking with the backpack. Loads of persons actually just want to see what's going on the backpack. It's just great. So while Third World perform, we just walk out of the venue and just close the video as we go back to the parking lot. We're not done yet. So if you watch thus far and you don't like the video, please may I ask if you just give it a thumbs up. Please give it a like. Thank you so much. I wish everybody a prosperous new year. More love, more blessings. Straightforward. And all your dreams and aspirations will come to pass, and you will make it. All blessings and love, trust me. It was just great. So, it's all about the food time, I know. So we are right where we started. Blessings and love. No, my teacher, we actually just do some ad. Yeah. See the big building there, just go on over there, man. Yeah, massive. So as we close, I just want to say mad love and mad respect. It was just great. My hand them tired, my burn out, I'm there sitting. So we're right back where we started, and the new year was just great. Big show. Big up to UDC and the entire corporation to put this massive show together. It was a success, it was great. No joke, no doubt. Mad love. Good night, safe journey home, see? That is it. So it's all love massive, and that way I preach you all 2024. See? Yeah. Jaja know. I feel good, I live to see it. To them man are dead, I never get to see it. And everybody we are watching this right now get to see it. That is great. Serious. Yeah man. Let's go. Mad respect. We're signing out. Big up to Lexi anyway you're there. You're there on the control. Make sure that everything going good. Streaming nice and thing. And everything go good. Big up to my entire family. I love you guys so much. Closest thing and the dearest thing to me is it. So just gonna continue to make family proud. As always. Big up to 10th floor. Big up to Uncle Barry. Yeah. Big up to Jason and Gina, I don't know, Mirror Effect, all of my other YouTube brethren are massive them. Big up to everybody. One love. We outside without fear. See? That is it. Signing out. Cause you know it's traffic time now. The traffic time now, so me nah look for left out yet. With that traffic here. So me I go just go and bill, make the traffic run off distant. I understand the traffic time now. One love, we outside.